Scene 1. Jungle Revelation. Lush jungle canopy, sunlight streaming through the trees. In the heart of a forgotten jungle. Camera pans down to reveal a colossal figure in the shadows. As it steps into the light, we see King Kong, a giant gorilla with a bow slung across his back and a sword at his side. His eyes are sharp, determined. Epic, heroic music begins. Sounds of the jungle in the background. Once a legend, now a hero. Scene 2. The Archery Master. King Kong stands atop a cliff, bow drawn. He releases an arrow that flies through the air with incredible speed and precision. A master of the bow, arrow splits into three, hitting multiple targets accurately. Villagers below cheer as they gather food and supplies from the targets. Triumphant music swells, cheering and clapping sounds. Scene 3. The Swordsman. King Kong is now in a village, surrounded by bandits. With a roar, he draws his massive sword. The bandits charge, but Kong expertly deflects their attacks, disarming them with swift, graceful movements. And the sword. He spins, parrying attacks and knocking the bandits to the ground. The villagers look on in awe, their faces filled with hope and admiration. Clashing swords, dramatic battle music. Scene 4. Defender of the Poor. King Kong stands at the village center, raising his sword high. Behind him, villagers stand with newfound courage, ready to defend their homes.